How's it going, YouTube? Today's gonna be a quick video on how to remove the steering wheel, and our ending goal here is to replace the reverser on this John Deere 7410. So stick around. First thing you guys are going to do is remove the steering wheel. It's pretty easy. There's a little cap covers up the adjuster here. Pop him off, and underneath it'll be a 13mm socket you'll need. Once you gotta get him removed, I'll get back to you guys. Once you get that nut off, you should be able to kind of turn this piece off, pull him out of here, just like so. And there'll be another little piece of metal, you gotta take him off. And then there's gonna be some tabs on this nut down here. You can kind of see them right there. You'll bend those down, take the nut off, and be able to pull the steering wheel right off. Alright guys, so the nut is off. Now the steering wheel should come off. Some of these are going to be a little tricky because they're just splined on there. We'll see how bad this one is. Wasn't too bad there. Alright, as you guys can see, the steering wheel is off. And on to the next step here. Set him to the side. You're going to need a 4mm Allen. Up under the dash here, there'll be 4 little screws. 2 more on that side. Pop those off and we'll be able to take our black part of the dash here off and keep working our way down to the bottom of that harness. Removing the 4 screws, you want to take off the little knob here for the lights, and you'll be able to lift this column up here and be able to pull this plastic out from around there. And the next step will be pulling this guy out. There'll be a wiring harness on the bottom of him, and then back here we'll be able to keep working our way down the There we go, there's the wiring harness. What you're going to want to do next is that screw right there and that guy there. Pop him off, and then the front part of the dash will come off, and then we're going to end up removing these 2 side shields of plastic. It's pretty easy to do there, just a couple screws down at each end, and I'll get back to you once I get that. So what you're going to do next here is this top cover. You'll be able to take out 4 Phillips screws, one there, and one there, and one there, and this top piece will slide off. And basically this guy, he should not look like that. He should be bolted up against there right now, but all the bolts fell out. So that's why he's just dangling there. But the other wiring harness comes out right down there on that right hand side. So what you're going to do next, take off this snap ring, and this whole black piece here will slide up through, and your harness will be able to come up past with it. Him to the side, and you'll be able to pull your wires right up through here. Get a little stuck. What you guys got to do is just kind of wiggle it around that harness and pull that connector up through. It is a little bit of a bearcat sometimes coming up past there, but all you got to really do is put the new one in the exact same way, and you're set to go. Put it all back together the same way, took it apart, and there you go. So see you guys in the next video.